In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Stripe to WPForms. We'll start inside your WordPress dashboard. From there, open WPForms, then go into Settings. Once you're in the Settings area, click on Payments. This is where WPForms lets you manage payment integrations, including Stripe. Now scroll down until you find the Stripe section. Before you connect anything, take a moment to decide whether you're setting this up for testing or for live payments. If you want to test your forms first, turn on the test mode toggle. That's a smart option if you want to make sure everything works correctly before accepting real transactions. Next, click the blue Connect with Stripe button. This will launch the Stripe Connect wizard where you'll log into your Stripe account and authorize the connection between Stripe and WPForms. Just follow the prompts on the screen to complete that process. Once authorization is finished, you'll be redirected back to the WPForms settings page. You should then see a green check mark, which confirms that the Stripe connection was successful. After Stripe is connected, you can add it to a form. If you want to create a new form for payments, click Add New Form. Inside the form builder, look over to the left-hand panel and scroll down to the payment field section. Find the Stripe credit card field, then either click it or drag it onto your form. This adds the payment field your visitors will use during checkout. Once the field is on the form, click the Stripe field in the form preview area to customize it. You can adjust the label and review any available field settings so the form matches the purpose of your payment flow. After that, move into the payment configuration for the form itself. In the left side of the form builder, click Payments, then Stripe. In this area, turn on Enable Stripe Payments. This is the setting that actually activates Stripe for the specific form you're building. Now enter a short payment description. Keep it simple and clear so it's easy to identify the transaction later. Then, under the customer email dropdown, select the email field from your form. This is important because it allows customers to receive digital receipts and helps keep payment records tied to the correct contact information. When everything looks good, click Save in the top right corner. At that point, your form is ready to publish. If you enabled test mode earlier, make sure to run a full test submission before going live. That way you can confirm the form, payment field, and receipt settings are all working exactly as expected. Once that's done, your Stripe integration with WPForms is ready to go.